Yeah, hi friends. I am standing in front of a sample villa in Second Park View, Goa Yamuna City. Let me show you the space now. This is the entrance, जो कि टोटल आपको ऐसे ग्रीनरी रहेगी along with this driveway. This is the entrance to the Second Park View. ये उसके बाहर विला आता है. विला प्लॉट का साइज़ है 254 स्क्वायर फीट, सॉरी स्क्वायर यार्ड्स, 254 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स. ये इसका आया बाहर पार्किंग एरिया प्लस एक छोटा सा लॉन लॉबी, वॉट एवर यू से. ये हमने एंटर किया. दिस इज द लिविंग रूम. इफ यू सी दिस साइज 18 बाय 14 10 ऑलमोस्ट 15, 18 बाय 15 का ये आपका आ गया. ये आपका आ गया डाइनिंग रूम कम ड्राइंग रूम. ड्राइंग रूम इज 15.6 बाय 19 बाय 10, स्पेशियस वन. डाइनिंग रूम 17 बाय 12.6, which had a common bathroom, size 8.9 by 6, which is again connected to another bedroom. This is the one. Size 17 by 12. यहाँ से वी हैव किचन. 15 बाय 11 का किचन साइज है, जो कि नॉर्मली अपार्टमेंट्स में फ्लैट्स में इतने का तुम्हारा मास्टर बेडरूम होता है. देन कम्स द स्टोर रूम 15.4 बाय 5 फीट, sufficient enough to store all your unwanted or less used things. This we have the veranda 7.9 by 16 by 6, sorry. Then let's move to the first floor. Here we do have a provision for lift also. We are going to first floor. Lift area. Here we have the living area on the first floor, 18 by 12.6. Now the master bedroom, 16 by almost 20, 19.10, ample of space. We have a dressing area 6.6 by 12 feet. Then we have the washroom 6 by 12, a spacious one. We have a balcony also. Look at the view. This is facing the lake. This balcony extends to the living room. Back in the living room. Here comes another bedroom. This is 17 by 12. Attached toilet 8.9 by 6. having a balcony also. We are moving to the third bedroom on the first floor, 11 by 15. Dressing area, 7 by 410. Toilet, 8 by 10, so 8 by 5. Now let's go to the second floor. Provision for lift. A gym area, or you may use it as you like, 15 by 12.6. And open terrace. A bedroom, 17 by 12. Toilet, 8 by 9 by 6. We do have a balcony also. Then again another bedroom, 15 by 11. You can use it for your study, as your study room also, as your office also. Dressing area, 7 by 4.10. Toilet, 8 by 5. Look at the height of the ceiling. Common balcony. Then the roof. This is a roof. A good one, good space. This area can be very well used for a small get-togethers, rooftop dinners. A beautiful view. So friends, this is the villa on a 254 square yard plot. You may construct the villa as per your own plans and designs. Just need to take care of one thing, that the front elevation should be as per the approved design of the builder. Thank you.